How to fix Modern Warfare 3 can't join friend's party PC. First workaround, account shuffle. If you're unable to join your friend's party, try an account shuffle. Some players have reported success by simply changing accounts on the same hardware. It might sound simple, but sometimes this workaround does the trick. Second workaround, verify game files. Whether you're playing through Steam or Battle.net, it's crucial to verify your game files. This process can uncover any underlying issues that might be causing the join problem. So, don't skip this step. Third workaround, switch roles. Sometimes, switching roles can make all the difference. If you're having trouble joining your friend's party, try having them host instead. If that doesn't work, switch it up, you become the host, and they try joining your party. This little switcheroo might just do the trick. If nothing else works, close the game completely and open it again. Sometimes, a fresh start can solve the problem. Lastly, make sure your game is up to date. Check for any available updates in your game platform and install them if there are any. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to fix the Modern Warfare 3 can't join friends party issue on PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more gaming content. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!